If you're considering a career in insurance, becoming a property and casualty (P&C) underwriter could be a great fit. But what skills do you need to succeed? Today, we'll break down the key skills for early career underwriters, how those evolve into more senior roles, and the academic backgrounds and certifications that can help you get there. When you're starting out as an underwriter, you'll need strong analytical skills, attention to detail, and communication abilities. Early on, you'll be responsible for reviewing applications, gathering information, and analyzing risk factors. You'll use tools like underwriting software to assess whether a policy should be approved and at what price. Being organized and curious is key because every submission tells a different story, and it's up to you to evaluate the facts. As you progress into more senior roles, your skills will expand to include strategic thinking, negotiation, and leadership. Experienced underwriters are often responsible for developing underwriting strategies, managing larger portfolios, and mentoring junior team members. They must understand broader market trends, anticipate emerging risks, and build strong relationships with brokers and agents. Senior underwriters also play a key role in balancing profitability with customer needs, making sound decisions that align with company goals. So what academic backgrounds are helpful for a career in underwriting? Degrees in business, finance, economics, statistics, or risk management are ideal, but related fields like data science and computer science are becoming increasingly valuable as technology transforms underwriting. Speaking of technology, the future of underwriting will rely heavily on skills in data analysis, predictive modeling, and automation tools. Knowing how to work with advanced underwriting platforms and interpret complex data will give you a competitive edge. Certifications like the Chartered Property Casualty Underwriter (CPCU) designation can also help take your career to the next level. This designation demonstrates deep industry knowledge and is highly respected in the field. Other certifications in cyber risk management or analytics can be valuable as underwriting continues to evolve. In short, underwriting is a career that requires critical thinking, adaptability, and continuous learning. Whether you're just starting out or looking to move into a leadership role, building these skills will help you grow and thrive in this ever-changing industry. If you want to learn more about insurance careers, be sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more insights. See you next time.